this is Bianca, and this is my first YouTube video. After procrastinating, I've decided to post my very first YouTube video, introducing myself to you all and what my channel will be all about. My name is Bianca once again. I'm currently living in Lagos. I am from Akwa Ibom State. I studied accounting in the University of Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. I'm currently 22 years old, and I'll be 23 years old this year, 2025. I'm 23 years old, and what really inspired me to create this my channel? First, this is Elevated Bianca, and this channel will be talking about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to edit YouTube videos using CapCut, in short, how to create thumbnails, how to get subscribers, how to complete your 4,000 watch hour, how to get monetized. So many things about YouTube, how to put fake background on your YouTube videos, how to do whatever thing that have been stopping you from posting your YouTube video, whatever thing that have been like an hindrance for you to create your own YouTube video. This channel is going to help you achieve that. So what really inspired me on creating this particular channel is I've been using YouTube for so long. I cannot remember, but for as long as I've been using a smartphone, I like coming online on YouTube, and I hear a lot of YouTuber complaining that YouTube is hard, YouTube is hard, YouTube is hard, YouTube is not really favoring small content creators. And I'm here to let you all know that YouTube is not as hard as we all see it. YouTube is not as hard as we think it is. So after watching videos, after implementing it with my other channel, my faceless channel, this is like my face channel, and I'm here to teach you all how to grow on YouTube. I'm here to tell you how to set up your YouTube, how to when and where to post your YouTube videos, how to go viral on YouTube, how to get trending topics on YouTube, how to edit your YouTube video to make it look eye-catchy, how to even create thumbnail on YouTube. So what really inspired my creating of this channel is because of small content creators like myself, letting you all know that we can do this. We can do this. By the time you go through all my videos, by the time I make videos on how to grow on YouTube and you implement it on your channel, you are definitely going to grow on this YouTube. So please, if you watch this video till this very moment, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so we can grow together on YouTube. Once again, this is my first YouTube face video.